What's good with y'all? We back with another video. Y'all see the thumbnail, so y'all know what we got going on today. Today we doing the back brakes. Like I said, we can't do the front brakes today because the rotors ain't in. But we about to change all the back brake stuff. Every little part new. We got my boy Rick over here, aka Don't Panic.
Yes, sir.
About to get it in, man. Like I said, I just don't want to fool with this. I really don't know this. I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't know the back brake. But like I said, I mean, we all support each other, man. I like, hey Rick, come through, man, pull up, I need you. So he gonna do that, and we're gonna put the studs in and all that. So y'all just stay tuned, man, and I'm kept this little footage for y'all. Y'all make sure to go subscribe to his channel. It's on the screen right now. Most of y'all already know who he is and everything, so y'all gonna do that. We about to get this set up and gonna catch y'all in a minute. Y'all see that bad boy is on there. There it is. Boy, yeah, y'all will be surprised how much these brakes are on weigh too. I'm telling you. I told y'all about the other video when I put the other one on, like it sent up the rear end cause it's just so much weight. Like them brake drum is really heavy. That one right there should just slide off. I already had it off. Yeah, I had that one off. We good to go on that one, y'all. So like I said, we putting the studs in. We got the Moser stud, new brake drums. These 11-inch brakes. I'm about to go ahead and paint these. If you don't paint your brake drum when you first get them, they will rust. I can't tell y'all that. So it is good. It ain't just for decoration all the time. They'll rust. So it's good to paint them. So I'm about to paint these black. And Rick done knocked them out that quick. He done took these out. That's all you do though. You just knock the studs out. Y'all saw that on my cousin channel. Y'all saw where I knocked them out. So that's it. And then we got the Moser stud going back in. So these some big boys right here. We might have a problem. Might help. Huh?
Is it what they thick enough?
The neural. We might have a problem, y'all. Golly. Alright, so we gotta pop these back in. We're gonna leave one of them out. Cause yeah, the neural on them, what they call the neural on them, is too big. This right here is way too big. And I was looking at it, I was kinda thinking, I was like, man, I think this too big. So I got one of them cross-reference this. You know how to take these back. Right side stud, cause you know this is a police car, so they came with half-inch studs already. Stud and thread, half-inch 20, right hand thread. So this part right, the knurl just too big. Now, you could make this fit, but it's just too much work, man. We can just get the right thing, cause sometimes people want bigger half-inch axles and studs, and they drill their axles out. Like some cars come with 7/16 studs, and people want these bigger half-inch cause they thicker, they stronger. So some people just drill the axle out. But ain't no need in doing that. These already come half-inch, and that'll mess it up cause the knurl ain't right. So we're gonna pop these back in, and then we're We got y'all see my old impact out here, so gonna be a little quick work. And I get why Rick got that off. I'm gonna go paint that other side, cause I need to paint that over there. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright y'all, so I'm painting that other brake drum. Give y'all some live audio this time. Give y'all a little B-roll clip. So getting this thing painted. And while I'm doing that, I might as well get y'all with some real talk, man. You know what I want to talk about today is pretty much doing your own thing and not falling in line with everybody else, cause that's the whole purpose of my build I'm doing. You know, not just following trends or, you know, doing something for approval of somebody else. Do it cause you want to do it at the end of the day. That's what you need to do with life, period. Like, not just the car, just do what you want to do. You know, if you happy with it, then let it ride. That's what it should be about. That's why I named the car what I named it, Dolo. Cause, you know, I'm doing it the way I want to do it. I don't care what nobody say, cause you know, especially being on YouTube, you're gonna have everybody got an opinion of your car and how you should do something. But people gonna do that in life anyway. They're gonna have an opinion about how you should do something, how you should speak, how you should walk, how you should dress. So the end, as long as you happy, that's what matters. So that's my real talk for today. Y'all see, got a nice black coat of paint on it. I actually painted these right. Y'all know everything else I be doing a quick paint job, but I actually painted these the right way. So gonna let these dry, and we'll be good to go, and that'll keep them from rusting. So stay tuned. So y'all see, Rick already got everything disassembled. Got the brake shoes off, and y'all see I got everything new. I got every piece. I got the wheel cylinder. I got new wheel cylinder, new adjustment screw. New hardware kit, of course, new pads, and pads, shoes, whatever, not pads, shoes, and new drum. So every piece of the rear brakes is new. So we good to go right there. And look, man, like I told y'all, them adjustable shocks, boy, they something there. You can pull the spring right up out of there. So I'm about to I'm probably gonna take one of them out, cause I got this spring out of big meat. I want to see the height difference in it too. So, cause it seems like them springs shorter. It's an aftermarket spring. It's different, but it seems like it's shorter. So, this spring got a big meat, and I'm gonna take that one out, the Dolo, the new one, and see the compare the height difference. So, all right, y'all. So we back, man. We just been chit-chatting and all that, but got all the brake put together. Getting the drum slid on, where got to mess with that adjustment screw and all that good stuff. But y'all see everything on there. Everything brand new. Let me lighten it up a little bit for y'all. Everything new. So we good to go. Alright y'all, so y'all can see I got the box full of old parts. And all that stuff needed changed. See the springs, all that stuff bad. So we got it finished, and got dark. Said we started in the evening, so yep, everything changed though. Said all this stuff bad. So good thing I did change it. I was just showing y'all the parts that came off of it, all of them. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so y'all see I'm in the garage. That's it. That's gonna wrap up today's video, man. Like I said, we get to talking all that, time go by. It's dark. Rick leaving out now. We got the back brakes on today. Like I said, new brake drum, painting, all that, everything new. So that's a good thing. We got new back brakes. When the front rotors come in, then we're gonna do the rotors and all that. The front definitely be a breeze. You ain't got to deal with all the springs and all that other stuff. And what else? I don't know. That's it though. I just want to show y'all that we got new back brakes. Like I said, another part. The part pile getting smaller. Y'all see the part pile getting smaller? Well, it's kind of hard for y'all to see because I'm in the garage and it's dark outside and all that good stuff. But yeah, the part pile getting smaller and smaller. So in my eyes, that's a good thing. That means stuff getting done, stuff happening. So I hope y'all enjoyed the episode. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.